Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin access and a quick backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, confirm your Windows edition and build in settings so you pick compatible options. Next, open Settings, go to Recovery, and click Reset this PC. Make sure to choose Keep My Files if you want personal data preserved, or remove everything when preparing for resale. Both paths restore defaults. Pause here to verify power and network stability before continuing. A stable environment avoids mid-reset failures. Now focus on the detailed choices. Cloud download retrieves the latest Windows image, while local reinstall uses your current files and is quicker. Once you decide, follow prompts to pick data removal level. Clean data is thorough and improves security, while just remove files is faster. Make sure to note apps and drivers you'll need to reinstall, and suspend BitLocker or decrypt drives before reset, because encryption can block recovery. Once all options are confirmed, click Reset and let the process run until the system restarts. When the reset completes, sign in and immediately run Windows Update and device driver installs to ensure stability. Then restore your backed up files, reinstall apps, and reconfigure settings for defaults like privacy, default apps, and themes. If you encounter problems, for example, the reset stalls or Windows won't boot, use advanced recovery options. Try Startup Repair first, then System Restore. And finally, a clean install from USB media if needed. These steps recover the system without leaving partial or corrupted configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.